Welcome to Beauty in History. We're celebrating Kerala Day, a special day that commemorates the formation of the state of Kerala on November 1st, 1956. Join us as we explore the unique journey that led to Kerala's creation and the rich culture it embodies. After India gained independence in 1947, the country was a tapestry of different linguistic regions. The call for states based on language and cultural identity grew stronger across the nation. This desire for linguistic unity among Malayalis, or Malayalam speakers, led to the formation of Kerala. Before Kerala's formation, the land was divided into three main regions: Malabar, part of the Madras Presidency, and the princely states of Travancore and Cochin. Each had its own administration, but the common language, Malayalam, tied them together. With the passing of the States Reorganization Act in 1956, these three regions officially came together to form the state of Kerala. November 1st became Kerala Day, a tribute to the unity, culture, and identity of the Malayali people. Kerala Day is more than a historical milestone. It's a celebration of Kerala's heritage. From its famous Kathakali dance to Onam festivities, Kerala boasts one of the most vibrant cultural identities in India. This day is also a reminder of Kerala's achievements, from its high literacy rates to its advances in healthcare and social development. Kerala has grown remarkably since its formation. It's known worldwide for its scenic beauty, progressive social indicators, and unique culture. The people of Kerala proudly celebrate November 1st, honoring the history that shaped their identity. As we look back on Kerala's journey, we're reminded of the power of unity and identity. We hope you enjoyed this look at Kerala Day and gained a deeper appreciation for the culture and history of Kerala. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beauty in History for more explorations of heritage and history. See you in the next video.